Hello, this is Mary Lynn Van Sweeten with Partners in Technology. This video is going to show you two ways to auto-reverse a journal entry in Sage 100. The first way has been around for a long time, but it's worth noting how simple it is when you record a journal entry to be able to put in an auto-reversing date. On screen, I've selected a source journal along with an entry number, and you'll see that the posting date comes up. I have another field here where I can enter a date to auto-reverse this journal entry. I'm making an accrual and I want to reverse it in the following month. So I selected February 1st, but I could have chosen any date. It doesn't need to be the first of a month. Here's my journal description, and let's come over to lines, and I'm going to select my account numbers. My journal is done, so let's post it and see what happens. When I look at my entry, you'll notice that the reversing date actually has some information in it, which if you did not put a date in there, this would remain blank. So let's update this and go to the account and see what happens. I'm using account maintenance, or I could go to account inquiry. And I'm selecting the date that I did the transaction in, and you'll see here is the same journal number, two dates. The posting remark for the reversal has an appended reversal so that you know that this is from an automated function. That's one way to reverse a journal entry. Another way is we could simply go into an account that has some transactions in, and in my case here, I want to reverse this duplicate entry that I have on the 18th of September. Now, when I click this new little icon, it has told me that it has created a reversal. I'm going to say OK. Now I want you to remember that the date of the journal was 9/18. When I go to General Journal Entry, my transaction will be there, and you'll see that it puts in a reversal of journal. It has the original journal number, but of course my entry now is something different. It also has put in a posting date of today. Now I could change that provided I have those periods open in the prior year that I'm going to post to. And I'm going to bring this to December of 2017 and update this. Certainly is a simple way. It's really handy when you have a long journal entry. In this particular case, I had 28 lines. Rather than having to go line by line, I've been able to just click on one little button. My entry is here. I need to review my dates, see if I need to change it, and then I simply update. As simple as that. I hope you've liked this video, and if you do, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be notified each time there's a new posting. Thanks for watching.